guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video we are going to learn how to make fish in Candy Crush Soda Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open the game you want to open. You want to play the level you want to play. Then after opening over here, keep on playing. Then after here you can see 4 rows, 4 grids. You have to swap and make 4 over here, like 4 matching colors. Swap it. There you go. You have got your fish. Now you can make it again. You can see over here also you can double swatch it like this. You can make fish in Candy Crush Saga. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.